Right now is a great time to get the lawn ready for the summer months ahead. And one of the first things you want to do is overall examine the lawn. But this is what I suggest you do, is to actually cut out a piece of the turf and pull it out so you can examine it. And the first thing I always look for is I take an example here of the side view and see if there's any dead grass that accumulates between the grass blades and the soil level below. That's called thatch. And as you can see, there's no thatch in this sample at all. The next thing I would do is to turn it over and look at the bottom side, see if there's any holes in the soil. If there are, then that would indicate maybe a possible insect problem, and we should then look for insects that might be doing any damage to the lawn. Then let's turn it back over and look at the other side. And you can see there's clover growing in here and a couple of weeds. So that's a problem that we need to correct. But let's also look a little bit deeper, and when we do, we find some yellow grass blades. And if we look at the yellow grass blades closely, we'll see that they've been torn. Now that indicates that the blades of the lawnmower are dull and they're tearing at the grass rather than cutting it. So that indicates right away to me that I should have the blade on my lawnmower sharpened in order to cut that clean so it'll really look nice. Now, if you don't feel comfortable with that analysis on your own, take this sample to your local nursery or garden center and have the certified nursery person or the master gardener on staff take a look at it and make an on-the-spot diagnosis for you, so you don't waste your time doing things you don't need to do. Just do the things that are necessary. Then once you're through with this sample, simply insert it back into the soil and tamp it down, and it's in beautiful shape once again. You won't even notice that in a day or two. Now, let's make an overall observance of the lawn too, and what do we see? Some wide blade grasses coming up in the regular grass. This is velvet grass. Sometimes it can be Dallas grass, orchard grass, field grass of different kinds, quack grass, etc. You can pull these if you want to individually, but very often you don't get all the root system. So probably the best thing is to use a grass killer such as Roundup. But you have to selectively put it only on this grass because it would kill the other grasses too. But that way then you can get rid of it completely. And another thing that's really important after you get the lawn cut, after you get it fertilized, the whole works, is to overseed the lawn with new grass seed to fill in those bare spots. What a difference that makes. And you know, if you do all those steps and in the right order, you'll end up with the most beautiful lawn in the whole neighborhood.